If you are over 50 and you've thought about starting a YouTube channel, but the idea of sitting in front of a camera for 10, 15, or 20 minutes makes your stomach tighten, this message is for you. Not for the 22-year-old who grew up filming TikToks, not for the influencer. This is for the thoughtful person with experience, knowledge, perspective, who simply does not want to perform. If you're over 50 and want to make videos without ever showing your face, this tool is a game changer. On this channel, we find the smart ways for you to build a channel and make money. Because here's the hidden frustration no one talks about. You don't doubt your intelligence, you doubt the delivery. You don't question whether you have something valuable to say. You question whether you can say it naturally, on camera, without freezing, rambling, or sounding like you're reading from a teleprompter in a courtroom. And you're right to hesitate. Very few people, at any age, can speak authoritatively off the cuff for even 5 minutes. 10 minutes? 15? 20? That's not conversation. That's performance. And performance is exhausting. So most people over 50 do one of 3 things. They postpone, they over-prepare, or they abandon the idea entirely. Now here's the irony. YouTube does not reward perfection. It rewards clarity and retention. It rewards people who call out the exact viewer, identify the hidden frustration, promise clarity without hype. But the platform also quietly rewards something else: presence. Human presence holds attention longer than slides, longer than stock footage, longer than faceless narration. People stay for people, even if the lighting isn't perfect, even if the background isn't cinematic, even if the delivery isn't flawless. So we're stuck, aren't we? We know human presentation works better, but we don't want to sit there, performing. So here's the solution. What if you could appear on screen, without performing? What if your face could deliver your message confidently, without you having to memorize a single line? What if you could produce a 15-minute video that feels natural, structured, calm, and authoritative, without feeling like you're auditioning for the evening news? But first, hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel at Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50+ to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. See links in our video comments to learn how. If you're serious about mastering AI for YouTube growth, staying ahead of the latest tech trends, and transforming your channel into a profitable business, this is where you belong. That's where HeyGen comes in. What HeyGen actually solves. HeyGen is not a gimmick. It is not a cartoon avatar waving its arms in the corner of the screen. It allows you to create a realistic version of yourself. Your face, your voice, delivering your script naturally. Let's be very clear. You are not faking yourself. What you are watching is an avatar of me, an enhanced image of me that talks. You can build a digital presenter version of you, and that presenter can deliver 10-minute videos, 15-minute lessons, 20-minute structured breakdowns, with consistency, with calm authority, without fatigue. Now, some will immediately think, won't that feel inauthentic? That's the wrong question. The right question is your message clearer? Is the delivery steady? Does it respect the viewer's time? Because authenticity is not about sweating under lights. Authenticity is about alignment between message and intent. If your goal is to help, clarify, guide, then using a tool that improves delivery is not deception. It's professionalism. I would be willing to bet that half of the people watching this video would be thinking that this is a live presentation, that I am a real person. Well, I am a real person, and the image you see is an avatar image of me. The image is a little enhanced so that I look better than in real life, but it is me. It's not a traditionally recorded video of me. This is a text-to-voice, text-to-screen with lip sync. That is, my lips move in perfect coordination with the words spoken. And you could do this too, very economically. Why this matters for the over 50 creator. If you're over 50, you likely have decades of experience, pattern recognition, real-world judgment, emotional intelligence. But you may not have on-camera stamina, social media instincts, performance confidence, and that mismatch creates hesitation. You think, I don't want to look foolish, I don't want to stumble, I don't want to sound rehearsed. But here's what the algorithm actually measures: audience retention. Not charisma, not theatrical energy, not how many hand gestures you use. Retention. If your viewer feels understood, guided, respected, they stay. And when they stay, the algorithm listens. The real advantage. Let me show you something subtle. When you record yourself traditionally, you must set up lighting, adjust audio, check framing, maintain posture, watch energy levels, avoid verbal stumbles, all while remembering your structure. That's cognitive overload. And cognitive overload creates tension. Tension creates stiffness. Stiffness reduces connection. Now imagine instead, you write your script carefully, you refine it, you structure it around 1. Clear call-out. 2. Hidden frustration. 3. Honest promise. 4. Calm explanation. 5. Practical steps. Then, you allow your digital presenter to deliver it cleanly. No strain, no rambling, no awkward pauses, just clarity. That's not laziness, that's systems thinking. And YouTube rewards systems. If you do not want to sit around for a week creating the text for your video, you could use one of the programs we recommend near the top of the description below this video. ChatGPT can be free, done in a couple of minutes, but will viewers accept it? Here's the interesting part. Most viewers care about value, clarity, relevance. They do not care whether you sweated through 5 takes. They care whether their problem was addressed. And for the 50-plus audience especially, polish is not the enemy. Overproduction is. Hyper-energy is. Artificial hype is. But calm authority, that attracts. Think about the type of presenter you would trust. Not the loudest, the clearest. The strategic angle. Now let's talk strategy. If you combine AI-assisted scripting, structured messaging, a consistent digital presenter, thoughtful thumbnails, honest titles, you create something powerful, predictability. And predictability builds brand. Your viewers begin to recognize your tone, your rhythm, your clarity. You become dependable, and dependable channels grow steadily, not explosively, but sustainably. The hidden freedom. Here's what I really like about this approach. It removes ego from the process. You're not trying to impress. You're not trying to be good on camera. You're trying to serve. That shift alone changes everything. Because now your focus becomes, how clearly can I help this person? Not, how do I look? That psychological shift is massive for the over 50 creator. It reduces self-consciousness, and when self-consciousness drops, momentum rises. Practical implementation. Here's how this could work. Step 1. Identify the exact viewer. Example, men over 55 wanting income stability without social media chaos. Step 2. Write a structured 1,800-word script. Step 3. Refine it for clarity, not theatrics. Step 4. Use HeyGen to generate your presenter version. Step 5. Edit lightly. Keep it calm. Step 6. Publish consistently. You now have professional presence, structured clarity, sustainable production without burnout. Addressing the ethical question. Let's handle this head on. Should you disclose that you're using AI? That's a personal decision. But here's my perspective. If your digital presenter is built from you, trained from your likeness, speaking your ideas, it is an extension of you, not a replacement. You are not outsourcing thought. You are optimizing delivery. There is a difference. Why this is timely. AI is not going away, but neither is trust. And the over 50 demographic still values substance, structure, straight talk. So instead of resisting technology, leverage it in a way that enhances your natural strengths. You don't need dance trends. You don't need viral gimmicks. You need clarity and consistent presence. Final thought. If you've delayed starting a channel because you feared the camera, this might be your bridge. Not to become someone else, but to express yourself without friction. You have the knowledge. You have the perspective. Now you have a delivery mechanism that removes the strain. That's not cheating. That's evolution. And evolution favors those willing to adapt thoughtfully.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.